Are you ready for some onion harvest? All right, let's look at some of the leaves started dying, and you can already see that's the size we're getting today. Awesome. Check that out, nice and big. Looks like I should have put some nitrogen or something to make it bigger, but this works without much of any fertilizer, just compost. Okay. Look at this. There's an onion here, but this is the only leaf that didn't die. It became a stalk. And here's a flower. I've never seen an onion flower before. Beautiful, isn't it? I'll leave it for the last. Yeah, it is an onion, you can see. Right. Let's dig up other ones. Is that it? Or there's more? Okay. Put some lettuce in here as well. It's a go-to lettuce garden. Looks like they grew pretty well. Keeps on coming. Wow. Just wow. Yeah, they were all from little seeds all the way to this. Okay, and I think that's it. There may be one or two. I'll dig up a little more. And moment of truth for the big flower. Oh yeah, there's a nice onion in the flower. Right, take a look at that. That's the harvest. A solid 5-pound plus onion harvest. Will last for a little while. All right, see you next video.